Okay, so when you're working with the SkyOne roof, just take out your two rear bolts in the corners here. Loosen your upper bolts up above. We'll show you that in another step. But you want to get it to where you just lift this up about an inch. That's all you have to do to be able to slide your skins in, line up your rear hole here, and the alignment pin for the side windows with the hole here. And then all we're going to do is we're going to put the bolts back in loosely for right now, and then finish putting together the fork plate and the side frames. If you have the side subwoofer, this will go in as an assembly, the skin, the wing wall, and the fork plate, so you might have to lift just a little bit higher to get it to drop in and fit, but it still works. You will have a little bit of a gap here. This is where typically the corner plate goes for when you're running a soft top and you want that all the way back. But for right now, with the alignment, that's okay. We're in a good position. Okay, so another trick that you're going to have to do, a little bit of tip, if you will, on your fork plates that go underneath the body that keep people from peeling the skins up, what we're going to do is on the SkyOne, the rear corner, because of how long that alignment pin plastic is, what you're going to want to do is take, you can cut it off or bend it down and out of the way so it doesn't go underneath the body tub. It'll be hidden by the plastic, you'll never see it, but this is where the alignment pin goes down. So you want to bend this completely out of the way and then put your bolts in, and you're good.